So after I update the status internship in the international schools, I changed to the not eligible for the SCORE season 24-25 school FO Paris one communication. And when after that, I asked BA to trigger crown job on the populated in the students on internship. But when I filter the SCORE season 24-25 with the FO Paris or the program with have status not eligible, I check in here, so it should display it should is not display in the table students on internship for the program have not eligible. What display in the student on internship? This is a student from program just have status eligible, but when I filter SCORE season school FA Paris one communication, is it display data of the student if we talk the program of the student have status not eligible.